Lides Chica Belmariana bininyag ang totoong ugali ni Donnie sa kanya. Ito ang magpapasabog sa inyong hapon. Sabi niya, he treated me right without begging to be loved by someone na hindi ka hahayaan mag-beg for attention and assurance kasi handa niyang ibigay iyon ng kusa. Knows everything about you. Even the small details of you naaalala niya. Someone who appreciate me and know my worth. And that's Donnie. To have someone in life who thinks you're interesting enough to talk you to every day, knowing that you are always worth their time, to be loved by someone exactly the way I wanted without having to tell them, someone who doesn't make me feel stupid in love. If ever love might find me, I want someone who's genuine and treated me well without asking for it. Iyan lang yung pinapangarap ko dati. And dumating si Donnie.